Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show how you can make $100 a day simply by watching videos. But before I do so, if you want to check out more videos in the future, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon. If you like it, press the thumbs up button and share it with others. So first step, go to a website called Feature Points. As well as don't worry, you won't be filling up surveys because being honest, no person will get rich filling out surveys or watching YouTube videos, which is the message I will be showing you. However, if you are truly an entrepreneur, you know just how to reinvest the money and make a full-time income, which I will also discuss in the future videos. So when you visit the website, they have an app and also have the website. You can sign up, which is so simple, and also you can sign up with Apple, Facebook or Google or enter your email address and sign up. It's that simple. As well as what's cool about the website, its feature. You can fill up surveys, you can watch videos, you can play games, like it's unlimited to make money. But watching videos is the best one because it's the highest paying one. And if you are interested in how the algorithm of Feature Points work is fantastic. When you watch a video or do anything else on their website, you will certainly start to accumulate points. These points can be transformed into PayPal or gift cards or any payment method you use. Also, the coolest thing about Feature Points is that you can cash these coins into Bitcoin, which is wonderful if you don't have PayPal or any other payment options. If I were you, I would make money in Bitcoin and ignore it because Bitcoin is the future. But believe me or not. And what's excellent about Feature Points, it's referral program. When you refer someone to their website, you will undoubtedly get 50% of the company profit from this person. So let's state you referred a friend and also your friend make $100 and the company made $200. You will certainly get 50% of the 200, which is $100. Also, if you are wondering exactly how the company earns money, well, it's simple. Let me clarify. Companies pay Feature Points to taste and use their services. Right here, you are the person who is tasting and utilizing the services. So, you will certainly make money ultimately, like Feature Points is the middleman, if this makes any sense. Also, what's trendy about websites like this is, when you do something called stacking the services that only require a different device, which all we have, and you sign up to produce a different account. After that, you will certainly get paid double. So, you can watch two videos, like one on your computer and one on your cell phone. So, you will watch two videos and also spam one, as well as double your cash. Let's say you made $100. Now you can make $200. And being honest, you won't get rich by doing this. Like, I'm honest with you. You will not find any YouTuber showing you a message telling you that you will not get rich. Yet, if you make like $200 and reinvest it into another business like drop shipping, Amazon FBA, eventually you will become a full-time income. If you do this, now you can add an entrepreneur to your bio. So that's the video I want to show you. If you enjoy the video, like it and share it with your friends and family. If this video makes sense to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. By using this strategy, how much money you earn, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.